is NORADRIANA and my metric number is A19A0535. Today I will present about project assignment. My part for project assignment is abstract and conclusion. So I will explain or I will present about the abstract first. The developed automated sorting machine is capable of incorporating flexibility and separating non-ferrous metal object species while also automatically moving object to the basket as defined by the programmable logic controller PLC with a capacity format sensor to detect a value range of object.
Assalamualaikum, my name is NURADRIANA binti NORAZLAN. My metric number is A19A0645. Okay, I want to talk about motivation or background of automatic conveyor sorting. Conveyor systems are used in a variety of material handling system and equipment in industrial enterprise because of its capacity to maintain consistency in operation speed and the consistency of item in motion. It transport object from the source to the terminal rather than transporting people. Conveyor can move single products, sort those items, or even transport complete pallet of item through the facility to the proper area when they are integrated efficiently with existing materials handling activity or carefully designed for use in a facility overhaul. There have many types of conveyor sorting like sorting conveyor, merge conveyor, gapping belt induction conveyor, and the last one is accumulation conveyor. Okay, next I want to talk about key question. Every manufacturer of goods must have problem, like workers are having trouble unloading product from the container and organizing them by category in the warehouse. So we choose this innovation because it attempts to solve the problem with a method of working in which employee place good with QR code on the machine, which set up an automatic conveyor, and the machine brings the product to be scanned in order to establish the product category. Furthermore, based on the QR code scanned previously, the product is carried immediately by the machine to the space or shelf for the product category, and this machine can prevent damage to the product. Okay, thank you. That's all for me.
Assalamualaikum. My name is NURADRIANA bin HASNAN. My metric number is A19A0304. I will explain about relevant literature, conveyor auto sorting. The primary function of this technology is to sort the company merchandise. It also to save time for inspection and to decrease workers' effort in material handling. This conveyor auto sorting is more efficient. The function is to automate sorting machine is to separate component based on weight and color. Conveyor are particularly effective in application that need delivery of large or bulky goods. A conveyor system is popular way for moving goods from one point to another in material handling equipment. This is an application based on industrial automation. It illustrates the notion of a standard conveyor belt but with some intelligence. We can also refer to it as intelligent conveyor belt since it can sort objects of different color and weights. Thank you. That's all for me.
So for the model, it's more on the working of automated conveyor sorting system. First, the head pulley receives the drive and the material is fed into the conveyor. Second, the product being tested is cubical in shape. Third, as the result, the product is now elevated above the head pulley. Now, the switch located on the conveyor belt is fabricated on. Fourth, at this point, the conveyor will begin operating and the sensor which is located just above the pushing mechanism will detect and the signal is transmitted to the microcontroller. Fifth, at this point, the calculation will be complete and the determination of the products will be made. 6. The product will then be transported to the tail pulley. 7. The signal is now transmitted to the pushing mechanism. And once the product is identified, the conveyor is automatically turned off. And lastly, thus upon the conveyor halt, the corresponding mechanism will be activated in accordance with the data received from the microcontroller, and the product will be sorted automatically. So for the discussion, this is the model for the automated sorting system. So first, on the conveyor, the product will be deposited. Second, the conveyor will be started and the product will flow to the discharge end. Third, the sensor will detect the breadth of the goods as it travels, and the microcontroller will then receive the signal. Once the goods have been sorted, the conveyor will automatically shut down. So I think that's all for me. Thank you. I shall pass to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum sir, my name is NAZATUL binti AZMAN and my metric number is A19A0399. I will explain about expected contributions. This project purpose is to show that conveyor can bring a problem in warehouse management system and transport management system. We can see the conveyor as a small issue, but when we put customer product in the conveyor, sometimes the product is going to the wrong places. So, conveyor is very important to the overall system logistics to put product in the right place before it's sent to end customer. In this project, we are clearly show the value added on the conveyor such as sensor and programmable logic controller, which is PLC. Besides, we also can add more innovations to show that conveyor are more sufficient. For example, we also can add automated sorting and conveyor belt while doing a sorting. The automatic sorting machines with conveyor belt is mostly used for sorting product in industry because it is easier and it automatically will be at the right place. In a nutshell, not only this innovation to produce high technology and effectively automated conveyor that we are focused in this project, we also expect that innovations such as auto stop conveyor, which is when the product are limits in the box. Auto stop conveyor is referring to a detected system at the conveyor that connect to the box. This concept can be useful and it will protect product from overlimit in the box and can cause the product broken and reject, especially if the product are fragile. If this innovation is applying in the future, the company can reduce unnecessary costs.
Hi, we meet again. Now I will present about conclusion. Whatever produce you choose, conveyors can help you to save time and money by preventing staff for touching items. Next, the collected shipper transport and collect the carton or cargo unit so that they can be efficiently compact and put into sorting, packaging, palletization, grading, or other process. Conveyor system a popular method of moving goods from one point to another in material handling equipment. In the industry sector, it has been recognized to lift or carry built material or good from one location to another based on the handling speed, highest of transport type, quality, size, and width of the good to be moved. This also happens to consist the conveyor belt that lower the effort required for material handling.